How to get the Threads app on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in order to get the Threads app on Instagram, first of all, and the most important, you will have to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So this is a very important but simple step. So for that, we will have to search for our Play Store or App Store, what you have, and then search for Instagram. Then update your app, click on the update button if you have one. If you don't have it, just open your app. After you've updated your app, you will have to open it, so click on the open button. Then click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and you will have to search for Threads app, just like this. Then you will have to click on this account right here. Go to their story, click here, and from here you will have to click on join us from the bottom of the screen. Visit the link, and here is the app, Threads and Instagram app. As you can see here, this item is not available in my country, but it can be available in your country. So if it is, you just have to download it and open it from there. Then you will have to log in with your Instagram account and you can start using your Threads app on Instagram. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you too have this problem with the item not available in your country, I have another YouTube tutorial that can help you with this problem. So make sure to check on that. It's in the description box below. And it will definitely help you and make you understand why this item is not available in your country. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.